Being smart may help you get promoted, but wisdom determines how far you can lead. Many leaders are highly intelligent. They quickly understand problems, quickly find solutions, and quickly make decisions. But as you move to higher level of leadership, the challenge changes. Not every problem has a clear answer. Often, leaders must choose between two things that are both important: short-term results or long-term success, performance or people development, speed or quality. And that is where intelligence alone is no longer enough. Because what makes someone a successful manager may not be enough to make them an effective executive leader. Leadership requires wisdom. The wisdom to see the bigger picture, to listen before deciding, to consider long-term consequences, and to stay anchored in your values when situations become difficult. Because in the end, leadership is not only about making smart decisions, it is about making the right decisions. Intelligence helps you solve problems. Wisdom helps you lead people.